Happy New Year, GPPs! It's 2026. Let's reset.
Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher.
Happy New Year, penny pinchers! Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had an amazing Christmas and New Year, and you are all set and ready to go for 2026. Today is Christmas Takedown. I'm going to be taking all these things down and refreshing my space for 2026. So let's go. I'm going to be starting by taking this tree down first. I have my bin here ready, and what I'll be doing is I will be taking them down and just storing them by color as I did before. After I went to the Christmas warehouse sale, and the way I had them organized by color, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now listen, I have a little bit more items than I did before, so I may have to get me a couple more bins, but we'll see what happens. Let's go ahead and start taking these ornaments down. Look guys, the fabulous bowl is down. I think this is the most, the hardest part for me is taking down my bowls. You know what? I think I might sell them next year. Make them and sell them to you guys. Let me know if you guys want to do that, because these bowls are indeed fabulous. And I hate to see them come down, guys, but we have to move on. It's 2026 and we have to make way for new things. Alrighty guys, this is what we're looking like. So as you can see, the tree has been taken down and I have placed it in the box right here. I've also taken the reindeer and the other Christmas items off of this entryway table and just replaced it with the stuff that's usually there. I have a lot of things to pack away, but before I start packing away, I have to tackle this big tree right here. So this is going to be most of the work that I have to do today. I have all my bins out and all over the place. So I'm gonna get started by taking down all of these ornaments and bows and all the beautiful stuff that we added to this tree. It is all coming down. All right guys, here we are. The tree is completely empty. I took all the ornaments off and so sad to see it go, but like I said earlier, gotta get rid of these things so we can make way for new and fresh things in 2026. So I'm just gonna box it up and then I'm gonna start packing away all of the ornaments. Alrighty guys, I have cleaned everything up and this is what the place looks like. It looks so bare without all the trees and all the decorations. It feels so empty. I kind of feel like, that after Christmas feel, after all the decorations, like you're just moving in. This is what the dining room looks like, guys. totally refreshed. I've just placed this vase up here. This is the vase that I DIY'd from the Goodwill. And I added these kind of like a early spring, picks to this white vase. I'm actually prepping for spring decor. So I'm making sure that I have a nice clean palette to work with. I am looking to add a piece of furniture here, maybe like a sideboard or something in this space so I can keep some of my dishes and stuff in here. But this will be coming, guys, close to these, maybe spring, summer. Again, like I said, I just wanted to have a nice clean palette to work with. So for now, this is what the dining room looks like. Moving back to the foyer area, you can see that I've removed everything from my entryway table. Guys, I'm still waiting for some assistance to take these upstairs to storage. But aside from that, everything is down and I'm happy about it. I pretty much have the entryway table with the same items that it had on before. I want to make sure, like I said, that it's clean, that when I get ready to do my spring decorating, that I don't have, too many things to move around. All right, we're gonna move on into the living room. You can remember the tree was right here. So what I did was I got rid of the tree, of course, and I put the lanterns back. I've also added a table, and we'll go over and take a look a little closer. But yeah, this is what the living room area looks like. I have taken the red pillows off, and guys, this is one of the reasons too why I wasn't trying to put too many decorative Christmas pillows on this sofa, because then after Christmas all I had to really move off of here was the red one that was sitting here, and I just added this beautiful green pillow cover. I think I purchased this off of Amazon maybe a couple of years ago, and I'm using my same pillows that I had on here before. Well, actually, this one was black. So I had these two before Christmas, and then I had one that was black. I'm going to leave the black off, as of right now, like I said, until I get ready to do my spring decorating. So it's the same on both sides of this sofa. This sofa is massive, okay? It doesn't come off as big on camera, but it is huge. Here we go, guys. Your favorite coffee table. It's still here, still with me. Cleaned that centerpiece off from the Christmas decor and just added these beautiful pieces here. I came back in with my mirrored candle stands. And then I have another candle stand here that matches this vase. This beautiful orchid here. I think I bought it maybe last year sometime, but this is my first time using it in this space on the coffee table, and I like it here. I really do. So I'm gonna leave it here for now, and then we'll see what direction we take as, like I said, as I get closer to the spring decorating. This table I added here. This was not here before, and I added another orchid sitting there with this beautiful, this is actually like a Christmas ornament. I've had it for a couple of years. It's a candle that I've used, totally burned down, but I love the container so much that I'm keeping it, and I've chosen to put it here with a couple of coasters. The lanterns are back in their place where they were before, and yeah, everything is just clean, beautiful, and ready for spring decorating. This corner here, guys, as you know, this corner, I didn't do too much Christmas decorating over here except for the houndstooth pillows. Again, these remain here until I decide, which way I'm going for spring. But overall, everything is nice, clean. The fireplace, I still have these gold lanterns sitting up there for now. And as you can see with the built-ins, I have taken down some of the, well, not some, all of the Christmas decor that I had in there, and it's just back to the original pieces that was there before, and I have it that way on both sides. Yeah, so this is it, guys, the 2026 reset. I am excited about everything to come in this new year, and I intend to take you all along with me for the journey because it will be amazing. I have a lot of content coming up, guys. Content, decorating, more showing off my faith. We're going to have some chats. We're going to have some girl talk. And so I am excited and can't wait to share a lot of things with you guys. I also have some organizational content coming for you because I really need to reorganize my stuff. Everything's pretty much out of place right now. This looks good on the surface, but I need to like reorganize my cupboards. I need to really reorganize my kitchen. And so I'll take you along for that journey as well, and whatever hacks and stuff that I find that will help to make the process easier, we can go ahead and we can do it together. I'll share those with you as well. All right, guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate you hanging out with us, and I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple, guys. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below, and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to my lovely penny pinchers, you know exactly how I feel about you guys. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC, saying Happy New Year.